Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have an easy DIY. If you did saw my recent video, I did haul these picks from the 99-cent store. And I also hauled these spheres from the Dollar Tree. These are great for any type of DIY. Whatever you want to do with them, they're great. So this is actually the DIY that I did. I already did 3 of them and they came out so pretty. And I did got this DIY, guys, from Instagram. If I don't manage to be able to put the video down below in my description box, I try to link like a clip of it here just for you guys can see. Now all I'm doing here is just taking apart the picks and pulling them apart. Just taking the leaves to be singled out, the cotton, flower, the berries, and the greenery. I was actually struggling with this greenery because the the cable thing or whatever that thing's called was really deep in there, so I had to like pull it so hard, guys. It like kind of like almost cut myself. Now all I'm doing once I take them apart is just cut the tips at the ends that were connecting them all together. The little berries, they come with the little long stem, so I didn't want to cut it, so all I did was grab a little glue stick and I curled it all over the glue stick and then just slide it up, and it gave me a perfect curl and it looks so pretty along with the little berries attached to it. Now here I'm just showing you the little spheres that I have on the background. I put them together so you can see what I did with those. And all I'm doing here is just putting the leaves in there, the berries, the little pine cone, and I'll also be adding the cotton flower, but the cotton flower was kind of bit too big, so it didn't fit in there. Plus this cotton flower was missing some cotton, so all I decided to do is cut it in half and I inserted in the hole of the sphere. Once it was in there, all I did was squished little by little and twist and turn so it can go in. And once it was halfway, all I did was using my thumb, I pushed it down so it can go into the sphere. Here's the ending results. And all you can do is basically grab a pencil, a tool. Just make sure whatever object you end up using is not bigger than the opening of the sphere, because then you'll be having issues moving around the leaves into the position that you desire them to be. So what I'm gonna end up doing, guys, is just finishing the other spheres. I did have a lot of greenery left over, so what I'm gonna end up doing, my excuse right now, is going to Dollar Tree and picking up more of the spheres so I can just go ahead and use the rest of the greenery and berries that I have left over, because they look so pretty, guys. And I'll see where I end up putting them. I might end up putting them on my table as a centerpiece or hanging them up and on my Christmas tree, which I really doubt that I'll hang them up on my Christmas tree because I haven't put my Christmas tree up yet. But I'll see what I end up doing, guys. I really hope that you enjoy this project. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And one more thing, guys, in case you're interested in recreating this DIY, go ahead and tag me on my Instagram at Alejandra's Post. I will be leaving the name under here. And if you did saw a video of somebody making something familiar to what I just did, go ahead and comment down below and leave me the link. I would love to see videos like that. But like I said, guys, I did got my inspiration from a video or a short clip that I saw on Instagram, and I'll try to add like a clip at the end of the video so you guys can see what I'm talking about. So with that being said, I hope you guys enjoy this DIY, and I hope to see you guys on my next video. Bye.